Last week, the big issue was that the agents could change the code, but they still needed better verification inside Unity. This week's main focus was making the weapons clearer and more readable. I added batch mode tests and updated the skill rules, but skills only help if agents actually use them. The gameplay work focused on Ice Nova and the other array of effect weapons. The main issue was that the numbers in code did not always match to what was visible on the screen. For a player, that is what matters. If an attack damages an area, the visual needs to clearly show that area. This led to fixing Frost Nova, Poison Cloud, Wrath and some broken expansion behavior. Poison Cloud had the code for expansion, but the setup was wrong because of hierarchy and enum mismatch. Once I found that setup problem, the other fixes became much easier. I also added a visual verification skill because Unity work can not only be checked by code or tests. If the hierarchy, timing or damage array is wrong, the code can pass checks and still be wrong in game. But again, the bigger workflow issue is making sure the agents actually use these skills consistently. So the next step is making those verification steps harder to skip. Outside the main prototype, I continued building my Unity hyper-casual template. I added run state, screen management, debug tools, score reset, and tap input. With that, the first version of the template is basically done. By the end of the week, the weapons were closer to the intended design, clearer visuals, better area behavior, and fewer places where the scene could disagree with the code. Next week, I want to continue the weapon reward work, polish the visuals a bit more, and make the agent workflow more reliable. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.